Hello designer, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gigi. I am a fashion designer based in London. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this color block bikini bottom. The sewing pattern is available to download in the description below. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you designer. Those are all the pieces that you need to cut. Place right side together. Sew over there. Place the lining right side together and pin. Place the color block pieces right side together and pin. Place right side together, pin on the leg opening and on the waist seam. Mark about 1 centimeter on the side. That's where we're going to stop when you attach our elastic. Just place like this as I'm showing here. Attach your elastic. Turn your bikini bottom right side out. Push any excess fabric on the corners and then just pin. Do the same on the other one. push inside. It's not going to be a lot of excess fabric, just a very small amount, but just push inside. So a straight line. I'm using a sewing machine, do like straight line. The length is about 1 centimeter. Place your stripe right side together. Attach elastic. Turn your stripe right side together. Cut 2 stripes. The measurement is going to be in the pattern file. Insert your stripes in the bikini bottom. I'm using a loop toner. If you don't have a loop toner, you can use a safety pin. I like to tidy up my stripes. To finish off our bikini bottom, we're going to add some swimwear called the end. You're going to find the information where I got my swimwear called the end in the description below, and the information for the pattern as well is going to be in the description below. And don't forget to tie a knot. Designer, your bikini bottom is done. It's super cute and so unique, this bikini bottom. This is the final bikini bottom. Thank you so much, designer, and I'll see you on my next video.